Okay guys, pardon the sounds of the fans, but it's 105 degrees around here. My switchblade came in, so we're going to show you the switchblade. It came in. Comes in a little box like this. Set that aside. And they come in these little sheaths, which they're worthless, or I guess it's called a holster. So this is the one I just got. Simulated marble, or simulated I guess that would be marbleized plastic. This is the Godfather stiletto. They actually sent me the wrong one, but I'm going to keep it. That's your safety. That's on, that's off. It has the push button, and it has the pick lock design, and everything's gold. Now, the one I wanted this model here. I wanted this in gold with the white marble grips. So, but I'm going to keep it anyway. I'll just have to order one of these another day. As you see, the blade release mechanism is a little different. I like these better. I've always had problems with this one here. Now, so far, this has not failed to open. This is my other switchblade with a pick lock back. I have modified the top of the blade here a little bit. So far, since I modified it, it has not got stuck, or it hasn't failed to open. But now I have been closing the blade wrong on this since I got it. I actually just learned how to close the blade. I was pushing the pick lock up with my nail. All you really got to do is just press this down. I feel like an absolute idiot that I didn't think of that, but you learn something every day, as they say. So it is razor sharp. So to fold the blade back, you just push down on this. Now, the size difference, this is the one I just got, this is my old one. There is a considerable size difference. Let's see what the blade is like. This does open a little faster, probably because it's smaller. Yeah, see, that's exactly why. This is the one I just received in the mail about an hour ago. That's why it opens faster, because the blade's smaller. Or, you know what, the blade is actually the same length, but the handle's smaller. So there's probably more spring tension in this. That's probably why it opens a lot faster. Again, you press this down. What I was doing is I was lifting the pick lock up of and breaking my thumb the whole time. Now this is the Diablo Milano stiletto switchblade. And this is the same thing, but in rainbow chrome. This is my wife's. I think, let me look good. I think I cleaned all the blood off this one. That does open faster, I have to admit that. This is a little slow in opening. This is actually the largest of them. The blades are all the same. I think the blades are all, yeah, the blades are all the same length. So my next one I want to get is, I want to get this design. It'll be all gold, but with the white marbleized grips. And they're not very expensive. They're I think these go for around $24.95. These are this is the Diablo Milano. These go for $34.99, and I think these are $24.99. So this one here has failed to open before I modified the blade. What I did was, the locking mechanism back here has a little ball. I polished a little bit. Since I've done that, it hasn't failed to open. Three, 4. See if it could survive our 10 count. No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's do the new one that we just got. This is called the Godfather. 1, 2. It does sound different. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Passed our test. Okay. Set that over here. Now when you open this, the blade is a lot stiffer. This is more of a quality switchblade. You can hear it has a more quiet of an opening. And to put the blade back in, you press this button down. I've probably opened this one here at least 100 times. This has never failed to open. Not one time it has failed. I highly recommend this design to anybody. This isn't the classic Italian switchblade where this design, this is the one, this is the classic Italian switchblade, the one that costs $100 and more, if you can find them. They're usually you have to find these in auction, on an auction website. eBay won't, you can't buy these on eBay. eBay won't sell any kind of an automatic knife. They're considered illegal. You can buy butterflies on eBay, butterfly knives, but as for automatic knives, I believe it's illegal to sell them on eBay. So, yeah, they sent me the wrong one, you know, but I'm going to let them slide on that. I'll keep this. I kind of like it because of the sound and the quickness. And it sounds like, when you open here, I'll do that again, guys. Listen real good, if you can hear it above my fans and my air conditioner. It almost sounds like a metal-to-metal sound when it opens, so it's super sharp. Let me see if we can cut something here. Yeah, it's super sharp. I feel like such an idiot. The whole time I was releasing the blade the wrong way. I was going like this, pulling these up, and then I watched the video, and the guy pushed this down, and I said, "No, so let me see if my knives can do that." And I feel like such an ass. I've had my switch. I've had this one here for over a year, and I just learned how to close it the right way. So, all right. You know what? Let me look at something here. I'm trying to think. Does it look like the blade is? Looks like the blade is a little smaller on this one. I wish I had a ruler with me, or a micrometer, but I could feel it with my hands. Another thing too that's different is this has the nail indentation in the blade, where this one doesn't. But again, you hear the sound of that one. This sounds more of a mechanical knife. This has the nail indentation in it. And so does this one here. So, here we go, guys. In Pennsylvania, you're allowed to own these, but you're not allowed to carry them. From what I understand, in the state of Maine, in order for you to own these, you have to get a special, I think you have to get a special permit in order to own them legally. But they're still illegal to carry. But, you know, in order for you to own one, you have to get a special permit through the sheriff's department. I might be wrong, but that's what I read about these a long time ago. About a couple years ago, I read that.